In this video, I'll show you how to export all data in Google Analytics. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so I suggest you log in to your Google account first before we can even try to export all data. Okay, and once you've logged into your account, we need to go to our dashboard here. All right, from our new main dashboard, all I gotta do is click on the reports right here. Okay, it'll take some time. Now this is where the fun part is, right? Because exporting all Google Analytics data can be advantageous for so many reasons. Number one, because the exported data, say for example here, it'll allow you to perform offline analysis. Say you're not online, you can export it to platforms like Excel, Google Sheets, or other data analysis software. So it's particularly useful for custom calculations or creating complex visualizations. All right. So say for example, if this is the data you want to export, all you're gonna do is go down here at the right part here, click on the share this report. See right here. So you have two options. Option 2 is going to be download file. So it's either you can export it via a downloadable PDF or a download the CSV format. All right. And then the first option is it's either you can just create this link and share it to your team members or your collaborating teams. All right. Now the exported data here can be integrated with other data sets from different sources. So this allows you for a more comprehensive analysis by combining Google Analytics data with information from other marketing or business platforms. Also, as I've mentioned earlier, these exported reports can be shared with your team, right? Members, stakeholders, or even clients who may not have direct access to your Google Analytics account. So it's really useful for collaborative decision making and reporting. And also, before I end this video, it's important to note that while exporting data offers these advantages, it's also crucial to consider data privacy, guys, and security, because you have to comply with relevant privacy regulations and follow best practices for handling and storing sensitive information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.